Let's distract from the hurricane. Really? Oh, Lordy. Okay, we're going to go with a number 2, even though I'm tempted to go number 1. We'll do 5, definitely best moderate. 8. Oh, goodness gracious. 6. Don't ask why. Oh, shoot. That's like my number 3. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. 1 or 4? I don't know what to do. I have to do 4 because I have to keep my hopes up for Wilderness Lodge. Ah! Sorry, I'm a little dramatic. I can't believe that just happened. Oh, my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is so funny. Yeah, I mean, this is like a real ranking. It like worked finally, you guys. Oh my goodness.